Welcome mafethu thandibingelela. Welcome to abazingeli belaphi beqiniso TV. Abazingeli belaphi beqiniso TV. If uthi uyaqala ukuyibona le channel, please do push the subscription bell ukuze njalo bafethu makuphuma ivideo ubone ngebutton elibomvu selikhuphuka njengestimula samanzi ukusho ukuthi cha seziyakhala. Namhlanje ke bafethu we've got something a bit different, a different theme. Thiwa alhamdulillah. Asumale ke mangazi kushiwone, but today is a special guest in studio sinhambelile. I'm going to let him introduce himself. The reason why ngikhuluma isiZulu nesingisi balandeli is because umkhulu usuka ngaphandle, so ngizomdedela azethule. I'm going to let him introduce himself to the viewers at home. Alhamdulillah. Sawubona mkhulu.
Yeah.
How are you, my guy?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm alright.
Yes.
There are viewers right now watching us.
Yes. They
could be from Johannesburg, they could be from East London, they could be from wherever, all over the world, Cape Town and stuff.
Yes.
For the viewer who's seeing you for the first time.
Yes.
Who are we talking to right now? Who is this? Who are you?
My name is Bilal Mpope.
Okay.
From Heaven Remedy.
Okay.
We came here to introduce it and to explain about our product.
Okay, about your product.
Yes.
Nice. Now, I see that this is a very sensitive topic, but for it, we are here to speak about a world pandemic sickness, which is HIV. Now, Mkhulu, you have products, yeah?
Yes.
That are written HIV cure. Now, I want you to talk to the viewers at home.
Yes.
That are unfortunately ill with this type of sickness.
Yes.
There's someone watching and wondering how can they get help? What can these herbs do? How do I get these herbs? How much do I pay?
Yes.
What do you say to someone like that? How can I get help here? Talk to me. Talk to me. What's the story here?
Okay, right. You can get this one here from our office in Durban.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Then we're selling this one here for all the combo here.
Okay.
Like whatever you see here,
yes.
It's a combo.
Yes.
We sell that one for 5,000 rand.
5,000. So yes. if I'm making a purchase, I get everything that I'm seeing.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Now mkhulu, here's what I'm going to ask you. Do balandeli umkhulu lana uthi uphethe umuthi noma izinto ezilapha isifo sengculaza. Mkhulu, please explain each of these products that we are seeing in front of us right now. Tell us how to take them, how umuntu kusebenzisa kanjani lokho, how would someone use these kind of products?
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Yes.
Ngiyabona ke lo ukubonayo manje la.
Okay.
This product here,
yes,
it help people if they got HIV, then they feeling dizzy.
Okay.
Right? Then if they taking this one here, right? All that problem is coming down.
Okay.
And we got this one here.
Okay, yes.
This one here, it can cure any problem like asthma and everything, like cancer and everything. If ever you taking this one here, any problem is healed.
Yes.
This one here.
Now, how do we intake this? How do I take it? Do I mix it with water? Do I take it as it is? Tell me how do we use these products?
Okay, right. And this product here, it's like when you buy this product here, right? We tell you when you buy it there, you're going home, then phone us and give us this, like the pictures.
Okay. Then
we tell you how to take it.
Okay.
We don't explain to everybody without buying it. Because some people, they just buy it from somewhere else. Because nowadays you see, some people they come in like, okay, we go to HIV, right, like that. We're selling this is what like you want this product here.
Yes.
They're saying, okay, right, this product here, it can cure HIV.
Okay.
Now ours is if you take this one here and mix all of this one here, you have to mix and you take it whenever you want to take it. After when we explain to you.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are saying that For the viewers at home, they must make a purchase.
Yes.
And then show you proof.
Oh, yes.
That they have made the purchase and got the products, and then
yes,
that is only when they get the instructions.
Yes.
On how to. So balandele lana kuthiwa uthi umkhulu lana umuntu uyaliplace order athenge le mithi le ayifunayo bese masokuthi iphasela lakho maseselifikile kuwena bese uyamthinta umkhulu bese bayachazela ukuthi lezi zinto zisebenza kanjani.